more into the developer space. So first of all, thank you, Mr. Shenoy sir, for calling me and having me over. And I totally understand how Chetan and his wife would have built the enterprise, because many of the structures you have seen across Bangalore, like Manila Tech Park, Vega, the Embassy Tech Park, everything was funded by us. So I've seen it from the ground and how it has grown and how difficult it is to put up an enterprise the way they have. And typically how this enterprise is being built, I think that will speak volumes about it. And I wish all of you very best of luck. And I hope the same thing, structures that I've seen a lot of these iconic, but including the World Trade Center here. I've seen it from the ground, we funded that. So thank you, and very happy that I'm a part of the brand of Mr. Abu and Ms. Ashwini Rajkumar as well. And on a lighter note, I've been a Ragini's fan from Kempegowda days. We've had a few, so I'm happy that I've actually seen you in the flesh. Thank you. Thanks all of you. All the best.
ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟತೆಯ ಸ್ವಾದ, ತಾಜಾತನದ ಆಹ್ಲಾದ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿದೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟದ ಪೌಷ್ಟಿಕಾಂಶ. ಶ್ರೀ ವೈದಿಕ್ ಮಿಲೆಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇದು ಸಿರಿಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸಂಪತ್ತು.